Hi, welcome to my video. This is a Merc C180 compressor, ABS. Customer complaining of lack of brake fluid warning light coming on the car, and fluid dripping at the rear after he's driven off. So quick look at the MOT shows advisory for a leaking brake pipe or a corroded brake pipe at the back on the last MOT, covered in grease. So we've just basically took the wheels off. We've had a quick look underneath. When you get underneath these cars, they've got these plastic under trays that run the whole entire length of the vehicle, both sides, and the brake pipes are on the left hand side. One here, just up in the sill here, is the brake pipes. So they run from the front of the car all the way to the back, over into the back passenger side, near side, left hand side, wheel well arch. So both pipes come up, they run up here. Come back a little bit so you get a bit more perspective. So they run up here, and then down, and one obviously comes to this side to the flexi hose, and the other one goes across under the car. And I'll show you on this. I don't think this car's that old actually. I'm not sure what year it is, but this is corroded underneath here. Hopefully you might be able to see just there, just in the centre on that clip. I don't know if you can see that there. A little bit wet. I'm going to torch on it. Stand by, I'm just trying to get the torch on. Clip up there. I don't know if you can see it's wet. So we haven't pumped the brakes because we don't want to get any more, lose any more fluid and get it on the ground or whatever. So we're just going to replace the pipe. So that pipe runs all the way across to the other wheel. So it's relatively straightforward. It'll come from the flexi pipe, across under the car, and at some point here in the driver's side wheel well, up here somewhere, we'll have to see if there's a join or splice it in. Alright, thanks for looking. Cheers, thanks, bye.